Good morning, everybody. Today's trade recap, I traded one stock, OSN. So we'll go over the daily here. So OSN had a nice gap up. It gapped above all resistance. So definitely had my eye on this. So looks like it's going to push to $7. So it gapped up, pulled back, had a little bit of a push up, and then it sold off. Market open, it just was selling off, and then I was watching for it to basically form this tail. So I like to see this tail be formed and show basically that the bulls are starting to get back in charge. And so I was a little early on my first two trades. So 550, 557 was the resistance here. So about right there, 555. Anyway, I should have waited for it to break above 555. We got a little anxious, you could say. My first trade was at 546. Anyway, so jumped in. I sold right away because I don't know, I didn't like it. So I took a 2-cent loss. Pulled back, pushed up, tried again. I bought in at 550. So I saw a bunch of green prints and a lot of sellers at 550, but they were getting taken out. So I bought, and then it faked out and it dumped. So I sold. So I took these are 300 share positions. So I took a $57 loss on my second trade. And then third trade was my best trade. So once I broke that resistance, 555, bought in. So my entry, this was a hotkey entry. My entry was at 562. So a lot of volume coming in, and it pushed up, and I sold at $6. So I made $114 on that trade. And then a small pullback, and then it washed, and then it started to push up. Entered in at 6. Let's see, here's my next one, 627. Soft pivot, 625. So I jumped in, sold at 650. So I made $69 on that trade, and then it pulled back, pushed up. Yeah, I didn't buy this pullback, so kind of waited for more of a confirmation. So I jumped in when the volume was coming up. That was a nice big wash right there. And then started to push up a little bit, and it just hesitated. So I wasn't liking that, so I sold it right away, and obviously it dumped and retraced. It was very choppy going through here. So looks like it's done for the day. So it never went back up to break the pre-market high. So that's a little disappointing, but um, it is what it is. I traded the most momentum of the day, and so I'm happy with that. I want to end the day green. So my net P&L is $95.35. So equity, they say $1,000. So this is live trading. So realized $126 on OSN. So today I broke two rules, so we'll go over those. So a lot better than yesterday. So I didn't respect my stop loss on my second trade. So yeah, I took $57 loss on that. Wasn't too happy about that. And then I traded two after two losses in a row, two red trades in a row. So kind of glad I did. So like I say, my time was a little off, but nice gap up. So overall, good day, and a lot of momentum today. A lot of stocks were running, so markets picked up. Definitely starting to see momentum pick back up. So happy with that, but I'll take what the market gives me, and I'll get back at it possibly tomorrow. Most likely I won't trade tomorrow because my wife's being induced today. So we'll have hopefully a nice healthy baby, and I'm super stoked about that. So hope you guys have a good day.